You saved Guy Sensei. Thank you.
Naruto, we should go have a drink together sometime.
Sure.
That's what I'm talking about.
Naruto?
Naruto. We gotta have a drink. We gonna do a custom. This is Roy Elliott with Roy Elliott Art and Customs, and welcome back to another video. Hey, listen, it's getting close to Christmas, and I know what you're thinking. You want to know if you're gonna get one of those customs done by your boy up under the Christmas tree. I don't know. You're gonna have to definitely wait and see. But today, I'm working on an Air Max 90 for my boy Chris Chancellor. Actually, it's for his son Croy. I don't know. It could be Croix. Actually, it could be French and it could be Croix. But Chris, you know I've been about 80%. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a little bit of Naruto on the shoe for this Air Max 90. Hey, listen, man, Mom, you need to come on with the snickerdoodles. It's been about 20 years, and about this time of year, I always think about those cowboy cookies. So, I'm gonna leave a link down below to my address. And maybe if you got a little bit of time, maybe you can hook me up with about a dozen of them, okay? But we gonna go from Croy to C Money Stacks after I get through with this shoe. Let's go.